I'm not
Yes.
telling you how can we make sentence. If you need, so I can send the video. Otherwise, I'll teach you how can we make. Okay, but when we're talking about to present indefinite, so when we are discussing about habitual, do you understand habitual and regular actions?
Habitual is मतलब you have habits.
Hmm. Generally habits. Okay.
Yes, generally. Okay.
Yeah, it's our habitual things. You like we can say that like जो हमारी habits है, regular actions,
Okay.
whatever we actions activity do regularly, we use present indefinite. For example,
Okay.
I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Okay, so it is incorrect that if I say that I am waking up at 6 a.m. every day. Clear?
Yes. Clear.
It is not proper the meaning of the message. Okay, when we discussing about to general habits, like I said that tell your routine. So
Okay.
mostly 90% sentence is used present indefinite, general sentence, and like
Okay.
other sentence like she reads the paper every morning.
Hmm.
Okay.
Safe. Right.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, actually I have throat pain. I don't know what happened. I have drink water and after. Yeah. Yeah. So like we can say that like she reads the newspaper every morning. It is
Hmm.
regular actions. He exercises at the gym regularly. They
Okay.
visit their grandparents on Sunday. My brother watches TV in the evening. So whatever we are doing activities, we use habitual actions in present and definite. So try to explain properly. And when you're
Okay.
talking about is speaking English, 90% sentence is used when we talking about currently situation, present and definite.
Okay.
Okay, and especially habitual or regular actions when we talk about that.
Okay.
Is it clear? Okay,
Yes. Yes.
so
Clear.
it is incorrect. Like I am getting up. Yeah, I am eating food like that. Okay, actually it's a habitual. I with am. Am I correct?
Hmm. Yes. Yes. Correct.
Yeah, yeah, but it is not good for every sentence I
Yes.
use.
Yes.
I am. I wake up early morning. Okay, I'll talk you. Like we can use that. Second stat when we're talking about general truth, if we have to say that, like when we have to use facts, when we have to talking
Mm-hmm.
about facts, then we can use that. For example, the sun rises in the east. Okay, so it's a universal truth, general truth. We can say that. Clear? Water boils
Yeah.
at 100 degrees Celsius. So it's a fact.
Hmm.
It's a universal truth that when
Okay.
you boil the water, okay, it evaporate
Yes.
in
Yes.
100 degrees Celsius. Okay. Okay. So we can say that. Next is that
Okay.
the Earth revolves
It's
around the
also.
sun. It's universal truth.
Hmm.
We can say that a week
Yes.
has 7 days. The fire burns and gives heat. Okay, so we can use that types
Okay.
of situations, like especially in present and definite. Try to use that. Like your speaking will be more clear.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Next is that any permanent situational conditions. So like actions or states that are constant and do not change over the time.
Hmm.
Especially when we're talking about to like in schedule. Okay, like
Hmm.
we can say that like he works in a multinational company. Yeah, he works for a multinational company. So it's constantly, it doesn't change stage. We can say that. My parents live in a small village. We can't say that my parents are living in a small village. Okay, it can be grammatical correct, but still it is not clear.
Okay.
Okay, it's inadequate. She teaches mathematics at the school. Okay, so it's permanent situation and conditions. The train runs between Mumbai to Delhi. So it's constant. It is not changing
Okay.
any over the time. Okay, we own a small house. Okay, so we can use simple things in present indefinite and we can make that. Fourth thing is that instructions, directions, and command. If we have to give to someone instructions, direction, or command, like open the window for some fresh air.
Okay.
Okay, turn right at next signal. Add sugar to the coffee and stir it. Close the door before you leave it. Okay, follow the rules of the
Okay.
game. It is the instructions command, and we have to give to someone. Yeah, when we read, so especially it is used. Fifth is that
Okay.
uh, fixed arrangements or timetables, especially schedule events such as transport and schools and business. We can use it. Okay, we have the some
Okay.
condition we'll discuss about. So like, actually, I have throat pain. I don't know. I drank water. After it, I don't know what happened. So I'm not able to talk. So we'll
Okay.
discuss
So
about
please,
tomorrow. Okay.
okay, you can share this file. I will read.
Yeah, I'll share. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
sure. Okay, and I'll also share
Okay.
this recording. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yes. 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 Thank you.